Yo, what's up, guys? How's it going? This is Finn. I'm back with another video. Um, so I've been working on my interaction system a bit, and I just want to show you guys a bit of a demo of my um, Steam integrated co-op system. Um, Basically, I just want to show you guys my interaction system, what it can do. I added a new update for if you want to make co-op games or just local multiplayer games or Steam co-op games. It should all work basically right off the bat. So you can kind of just jump in and get started. First thing I need to do is actually do a run instance 2 and play. So here's my peer-to-peer. You can see if I go to multiplayer in public, it'll find a bunch of lobbies and stuff. Um, this is for Steam multiplayer, so it's not for local. But you can create a lobby, you can host a lobby. This is currently on the Steam network. You can see I can play around. Um, the problem with this, right, is Steam. So you can't join a Steam multiplayer game and have two of the same people on the same account join on different clients because it's how Steam works. It's not going to allow you to just join with multiple accounts. Um, so my solution to this, right, is to basically create a system where you can kind of do local multiplayer and Steam multiplayer all in one and the same sort of game that you make. Um, but this stuff works. I have this filtering system. It's a bit bare bones, but it works for finding different types of games. Um, but you're seeing a bunch of other servers here because I'm running like a test game ID, so that's why. And then these are all the other people's games that are being tested. Um, yeah, you can set the max lobby. I'm not sure exactly if these things work 100%, so I would test them, but the functionality is pretty much there. So what we'll do is we'll go back, we'll go to local, and let's do a two-player lobby. So I'm in here, and you can see it's the same game that I was playing on the Steam version, right? I'll go over here, I'll join. You can see there's two different clients. It's a little it's a little wonky sometimes depending on the Wi-Fi, but you can see it smooths out. Um, this game I built as a demo for when you download the template. But you can pick up like boards, and then I want to show you that synchronization works. But pick up the boards, and then let's see, this is the other client. So yeah, it'll tell you there's not enough resources. So if I go pick this up and I place it down, you can see it's all synced up, right? So things are being synced, and if I go over here, place it down, it's all synced up, and co-op is working properly. You can think of games like, the climbing game that everybody's been playing, Peak, right? You could probably make something like that. That's pretty bare bones gameplay wise, and then you kind of just expand on that. I added a little parkouring here just for funsies, right? Um, but if you pick one up, you can't pick up another one. It'll tell you already have an item. Yeah, this is all in the code. You'll get this project, this demo with the peer-to-peer version. And once you reach the end there, you can press the win button. But it's just a basic game on building a bridge. That's not the point, right? It's just showcasing that peer-to-peer works and you can play with your friends, and this will all work with Steam and everything. Um, and it's using my built-in interaction system. Um, and I can go over it a little more in detail in another video, but this is kind of just generically what it's serving is just an easy way to test your Steam games, sort of build your co-op friend games, right? Because right now it's huge on the market and it's a good time to pick up this template because like those games are doing really well. And honestly, all you need to do is maybe buy like an asset pack and build like a small co-op game. It can do really well. You'd be surprised, how simple you can make co-op games and actually make them do really well. This is the engine I use. This is the template I use for my co-op games that I'm working on. Um, so I'm always updating it, kind of updating the itch page, right? Feel free to drop, any sort of features you guys want. I have a link on the itch page, but yeah, this is just kind of showcasing my interaction system. I do have another video on the interaction system itself, kind of going over the basics, but if you guys want more tutorials kind of on this system, if you guys pick up the engine, let me know and I can do that for you guys. And sorry if the audio is complete crap. I don't have a mic, so so help me maybe get a mic and support me by just picking up this thing. I made it like 25 bucks. I think it's a pretty good price because it has a lot of features and it sets you up for a big uh for just good launches on Steam, right? It's a good foundation for you to build off of. Um, and the interaction system is built to be very simple, so and expandable. So don't think it's like some big complicated um, system. It's very easy to pick up and learn. And I have documentation, so please check out that if you pick up the engine. But yeah, guys, that's the end of the video. I really appreciate it. Make sure to pick up the engine and yeah, let me know what you think, guys. I'm really want to work on this, and I think you guys testing it, if everybody pitches in for feedback, I can build this thing and make it really smooth and really easy to build games off of. So, and I want to see Godot succeed, right, in the Steam marketplace, especially with like co-op games and stuff. A lot of them are Unity and Unreal based, so let's get it going, guys. All right, appreciate it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.